bàbá olóyin sẹ̀sán adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesi Ọ̀tà bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesi Ọ̀tà. The program you are watching today is from Baba Oloyin Original TV, Baba Oloyin Original Television. And the phone number is on the screen: 080 54 74 9455. 080 54 74 9455. I have another number: 0810 84 31336. 0810 84 31336. But it's addressable to send your messages on WhatsApp only. Today, I want to tell you what you can do to drive away evil spirits in your house and you begin to see money. You know sulfur, yellow sulfur. Go and get yellow sulfur. You can get from herb sellers. And when you live with herb seller, they are selling yellow sulfur. Go and get orange peas. You pour some sweet orange. You buy some oranges. Even you can get some orange peas from those people that are selling oranges. All those people selling with paro. You can beg them that we need orange skin. Orange piece. That skin they used to remove before they sell to people. Collect some orange piece. A person. You can put it in your house. Put it in the tree. If there's no light, within 3 days, they will dry by themselves. How are you going to use? Go and get charcoal. Prepare charcoal fire in your incense tree. Prepare your firewood, charcoal fire inside this incense tree. Prepare the charcoal fire. When it cool down, put orange peas, a person, put them inside the fire. You know the yellow flame will die down. Then you put the orange skin or orange piece, put them on the charcoal fire. Then you get sulfur, cut into pieces, add like straws, like 4 or 5 pieces, small one. Blend them together. It will be smoking like this. Yes. Then blow this smoke in your house, in your rooms, in your parlor, in your yara, then in your surroundings. Evil spirits will run away and you will be receiving blessing by the special grace of God. Try it, you will thank God. Before I go, I must not forget to tell you about this book. This is honestly a medicine book. If you get hypertension, high blood pressure, how to cure with original, the secret is here. If you always have bad dreams. Some people cannot sleep in the night. They used to beat him or hand the night. By honestly medicine book. In this book, you have asthma cough. How to cure? The secret is here. Honey as a medicine. And in this book, honey as a medicine. You have hatred in your body. How to use bitter leaf and honey to remove hatred from your body. I put it here. I have spiritual books. I have African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, and African Power Part 3. In this African Power Part 2, if they put poison in your food or drinks, how to detect it? The secret is here. African Power Part 2. In this African Power Part 2, they pepper and arrow, want all over. How to remove pepper and arrow from your body? The secret is here. You need crowd puller. The secret is in this book, African Power Part 2. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone. And distance is no more barrier. You can send the books to you all over the world if you can pay for delivery. And I get branches in Lagos State. If you want to buy my products, you want to buy original honey and original books, you know you need to buy books before asking for original honey. Go to number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin Bus Stop, Mushin Lagos State. Number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin Bus Stop, Mushin Lagos State. At Bariga, you can get my products at number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Or you come to Baboloyin Bus Stop, yes, Yota. From Sango, under bridge. Enter Marwa going to Yana Yesi. When you reach Yana Yesi, gently cross the road to the other side. You see Okada people, you see Marwa. Tell any of them you are going to Baboloyin Bus Stop. Baboloyin Bus Stop, yes, Yota. Even if you drop at toll gate, if you are coming from Lagos, you drop at toll gate, Sango toll gate. You enter Marwa going to Yana Yesi. You drop at Yana Yesi, gently cross the road. Cross the road to the other side. You see Okada people see Marwa. Tell any of them you are going to Baboloyin Bus Stop, yes, Yota. Monday to Friday we are there. We don't open on Saturday and Sunday. We don't. And don't forget, I'm selling hot water soup to remove family causes and family bondages in your life. Yes, hot water soup. If you always have promise and fail, buy hot water soup. Your business is not moving as expected. Buy hot water soup. I have coconut oil perfume to see mercy and favor everywhere you go. Coconut oil perfume and shea butter cream. They are all available now. Yóò rí bá fojú kórùn ní mọ́ ń yọ, àyà yọnu sí mi, àyà yọnu sí gbogbo wa. They are available till October ending. Rain is falling in Nigeria now. Even today, rain has already fallen in my area. So November and December, we don't see materials again. Yes, thank you for watching today's program. And if you like today's program, don't forget to watch me on my other channel, Baba Oloyin Kenisho TV. The program you are watching today is from Baba Oloyin Original TV. You can also watch me on Kenisho TV. You can also watch me on Facebook and TikTok or Instagram. You see me. And on my son channel, I used to feature there Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy. You heard Adewusi with it. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. You watch it, you see me there as well. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.